Welcome to our parsimony tutorial on creating and managing quotations in the selling module. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of generating quotations for your customers, ensuring a smooth and efficient sales workflow. Let's begin by navigating to the selling module on the parsimony dashboard. Click on Selling to access the tools for managing your sales processes. Within the selling module, you can manage various sales-related activities, including quotations, sales orders, and customer interactions. To create a new quotation, click on the Quotation option. Here, you'll see a list of existing quotations. To add a new quotation, click on the Add button. In the quotation creation form, you'll need to provide details about the quotation. Let's go through the key fields together. Start by selecting the customer for whom you are creating the quotation. You can choose an existing customer from the list or add a new customer directly. Now, add the items or services you are quoting. Enter the item details, including the item code, quantity, and rate. Parsimony will automatically calculate the total amount for you. If applicable, add any taxes or charges. Specify the tax type, account head, and amount. Parsimony will adjust the total accordingly. You can also add any terms and conditions relevant to the quotation. This ensures clarity and sets the expectations for both parties. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save to create the quotation. Your new quotation is now saved in the system. You can view, edit, and send the quotation directly to the customer from this screen. To send the quotation, you can either print it or email it directly to the customer using the options provided. From the quotation dashboard, you can track the status of your quotations, view all interactions, and convert accepted quotations into sales orders with just a few clicks. Great job! You've successfully learned how to create and manage quotations in parsimony. Effective quotation management is essential for providing accurate and timely proposals to your customers. Thank you for watching this tutorial.